Bismillah. Today we are going to talk about how to make controlling on the servo, this servo with IR sensor. This is IR sensor, how to control the signals, how to make the following task, which is anything will be detected from the IR sensor like this. The servo will rotate by 90-degree. If I um, get out from the range, he will stop moving and return to its original direction. As you see, this is the output, this is the final output, and this is the code. So let's start to implement this task quickly from the beginning. I will remove, let's move on. Okay. I will remove all of things and I will start from the beginning to watch how to make this easily. And this is also. Firstly, I need to pick up our Arduino Uno from here and also micro servo from here. And I will use PIR sensor. That's it. And as you see here, there are three terminals or three wires here. This is the signal for the servo, and this is the power, and this is the ground. Also here, there is a ground and power and signal. So I will connect them respectively from left to right. So I will start by the ground. So this is the brown cable or a brown wire. I will put it inside the ground here inside the Arduino. I will make it brown. And the next one, it's red, which is the power. So I will make the power or put the power wire inside the 5-volt pin. That's it. And I will change the color to be red. And finally, the signal, I will put it inside any digital pin from 0 to 13. I will choose any one. For example, I will choose 3, for example. You can choose any one. Do you want it? I will make it orange. Okay, so let's start to connect the wires of PIR, infrared sensor. I will start also from the ground. So the ground inside the ground, I will connect it with the same pin and I will make it also brown. And here the power, I will put it also inside the 5-volt. I will make it red. And finally the signal, I will put it inside any digital pin. For example, I will choose 2. You can choose anyone else. So I will make it orange. So now, after I connect all of the wires together with the Arduino Uno, as you see here, the servo inside the 3 and the IR sensor inside the 2, the ground and 5-volt. So let's start to code this program. I will click on here, the code part. There are here 2 options to use the code. I will make the the simplest way to use the blocks forever. And you can implement this one by using the blocks and convert it into the text or in C++, whatever, but I will explain it, both of them, okay? So I will start to collect the if condition. There is here an if condition, and inside this condition, I will use this command or this condition, which is from input. I need to read the digital pin from the digital 2, which is the servo, the IR sensor. IR sensor is connected to the digital 2 or digital pin 2, number 2. So I need to read this analog pin, or this digital pin, sorry, on 2. I need to read it. If the reading here, or if I'm reading the signal here, which is equal to be 1, so it means this is inside the range. So what should I do? I go here from the output tab and rotate servo on pin number 3 to be 90 degree. So rotate servo pin on pin 3 to 90 degrees, and else I will make it 0 to rotate by 0 degrees, so it will return to the original space. So as you see here, if I switch this one to be text, you can see there is here a library I imported to use the servo options. So I will put here servo object, which is, I name it servo 3, which is from kind servo. Inside here, there are inside the setup function, I have here two functions, the setup function and loop function. So inside the setup function, I will choose or make the pin mode of 2 to be input, this one, because it's connected to the sensor. I need to capture the signals from the sensor, so that's why I'm choosing here the input. And from here, I will attach the 3, which is the signal of the servo. This is the line for the servo, and setting the rotation and so on. Inside the loop, I will make the if condition. If digital read 2 is equal to 1, I will write on servo 3 90 degrees. Else, I will write on servo 3 to be 0 and delay a little bit to improve the simulation performance. This is just for 10 milliseconds. So I will start the simulation and drag drop here and make it more this one. Look, it's working properly. Okay, so thank you for watching and see you in the next session. Bye.